Ni sambula ni mata vinakatalama na viokani ni tokani pate. Welcome to another beautiful day of another beautiful vlog. So guys, today's vlog will be doing some paintings on the walls of my music room up here at Mount Uluingalau. So if you guys have just joined me now, so that is our second floor, and the first floor, our ground floor, is at the bottom. So we are at the top, very top of our house. So if you have been following me for the past vlogs, I've shown you guys how I was painting these. So today we'll be painting some Tagimoucia and some traditional design on this piece of wood. So this is the frame of our dining table, which is on the ground floor. So this was the frame. When we bought it, it was protected by these frames, and then this was thrown outside on the rubbish, and then I saw it just come into my mind, why not recycle, use it again as something. And then I just put some wood stain on it, paint it white and then wood stain, and then I started doing my own paintings out of it. So today we'll continue. Please watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Pambulutan vicam do Ivale, Jinu, vicam do Maiviti, vicam ni na vesa Ivrubura. Toso boys, let's go. Yeah, so guys, so this was the piece of that frame. So this was a month back. I painted it first in white, and now I'm applying some wood stains on it so that it would protect the piece. And also this frame is not it's not solid, so it's made of wood chips, so easy to break. And yeah, so I'm just applying the wood stains. You can see here I finished the first one, and yeah, I had 4 pieces. Ni Bula Vinaka mga naman ito ka ni Ben na oro nawali ko na ito siya matumay tungan ko nung music room waro tungan ko na matamborong sa ambula sangat siya mo borong tamante ka na Tagimoucia bata na gani nung music room ko siya ka nung kababay veken ko na Mount Uluingalau patani tabatu chukui vaki Mount Uluingalau na kata ka na Tagimoucia pana tisgo sange kutamai sange mporo tambula mereni kuni totol kena buda campur tal kena stain bosa barok sarana kena nak benda kena sonan roin merere binaka takatuna Mount Uluingalau reva sona kes atau Tagimoucia sonan roin itu ngori ya. Orang nunggu studio lelai, iyo, nada suling-suling ko senga nindo begitu ivale ndo ruini, au sana baru sanga mandani, tos. Yeah guys, so I just printed some designs which I did it online and then just printed out from our printer, home printer. Okay, so this I will try my best to put this here, like a big shock, like maybe half of this piece, and then at the top I'll write something tradition. Okay, let's try. Guys, I'll tell you guys my secret. I have no background. No one in my family is a professional painter or drawing. I just come from a music family. So what I normally do before I start painting, I just ask God to give me the gifts and the talents. Yeah, and then I start doing it. Focus, heart, mind, put it into action, you will succeed. Toso boys. Believe in yourself. I believe in myself that I can do this. Not 100% the same, but I will do some twist in it so that I get what I love or what I would like to do. So it's just my mind, my heart, and then my hand will do the work. Toso boys, let's go. Yeah, here I have my black paint here. Yeah, we'll do some pencil for the framing. And here, I think here, down here, yeah, I have some my paintings here, my colors. Senera wavuni lenga niko mararo tissue color red and pencil pen tumbo and a measurement, so everything works. Let's go, Toso. So now I'm just trying to get some borders on the paper, from the paper. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I finished doing the outline. Right, now it's time to paint it. So the black is the outlines and some of the shading inside, and then now I just have to touch up with the white. Let's go. Let's try it. Make sure to use the right paintbrush. patient. Patient. Famolotunga Yakothova Eungo Takabatungo Sinikani Bisinisi. Ome Ukukwaneni Nungurumu Itakengo Amalua Uniokothova Nagai Thala. Update alchukani. Okay guys, now I think we are ready for the drawing. Bula Fiji. So I made this painting. It's like a 3D. So it's two type of fish. You can see this shark when you get closer. It's a shark. When you're far away, it looks like a tuna without the fins. Yuk, may papatokannya Bula Fiji on top. Now we'll jump onto this Tagimoucia and fix it. It's not 100% looking good to me. We have to fix it. Yeah. Guys, I'm not professional, so don't judge me so bad. This is the first time I'm trying something new, which none of my family have this talent of painting, and yeah. Oi, someone is coming here dancing. Oi. Where Romy?
Romy's not. Pony is free from adoption.
Waron Romy tal tunggu ramatan singa. Hey, so we finished with this one. Check it. So now this Tagimoucia is not so perfect to me, so I want to change it. So I'll put it here, wall of our chimney. You can see I already do the outline using pencil. Now let's start painting it. Toso boys.
Sasanga me corona que mai Tumbu koviti me rongo endai Bura bura malea me kilai Ena samai veikune kalei Menonda tuna langilai chips, and if you swing those cheeks into the rampa, I'll give you bacon and eggs, and if you shake those legs into the samba, I'll give you fish and chips, and if you swing those cheeks into the rampa, I'll give you bacon and eggs, and if you shake those legs into the samba. Have you ever been to the Fiji Islands, where the girls are easy and the boys are hard to get? That's the Fiji Island way. Have you ever been to the Fiji Islands, where the girls are easy and the boys are hard to get? That's the Fiji Island way. Bula malea ke viti talent. Bula! Update. Hooray. Di mai kita wale nongu senza. Tosto boys. Okay guys, another update. The final update for today before we go and sleep. Ambula Rumi. Smile to the camera. We're there and Romy. So this is what I managed to do. Own creation, own design. Kangani Vakasama. Never done this. Here in Germany, yes. But in Fiji, I'm so bad in drawing and painting.
Yeah, coming from a music family,
No.
but this is something new. So I wanted to challenge myself to do something new. That's why I made this. And like I've showed you guys. Romy, go there, to the room, go. My Romy. My, Romy, my. So yeah. So this is what my plan is, to decorate my music room so that when we are enjoying here with the Fijians, you can see some. Oh, big Vinaka Families to Marika and Leah for the.
Not with the Fijians, with your wife.
For the gift, wonderful birthday gift, that one, and also this one, the Fiji map, and also this one. Drinking kava with my wife. My wife Madana doesn't like kava, Mondre.
Yeah, also the Fijians, Kali, Marika, they also don't like kava.
They like kava.
No, they don't like kava.
Yeah. So this is what I did in the morning. To put it sideways so that
Bula
can see. So it's Bula Fiji.
Why you did not write Bula FM?
Bula FM. So it's like a 3D, looks like a shark, looks like a tuna.
What? Tuna?
Yo, no, yellowfin tuna. This is the
Tagimoucia.
old Tagimoucia, which I wanted to change it. Does not look nice to me. Wanted to, to do some like color, to change the colors, because the black as a border does not look that good. I like it when it's like plain white like this. Yeah, guys. So we have to say goodbye. Nisamode, thank you for joining me on this vlog. So, Chikolamanda. Yeah, time check. 8:30.
It's after 9.
Oh, so this is 1 hour late. Yeah,
Hey,
so
no.
we have to go one round with Romy before we go to bed. So Nisamode, take care. Nakabalebu na sar-sar sikumay pambulutan bikem do ijinu.
Hey, no.
Bikem do may wayavi. Bikem do may mola. The cover nimbula. Malombula.
Hello, no.
Salolom tani kena masu. Koni. From Koni, Romy,
Hey.
and Pate.
Hello.
Romy baka chila chikuna. Oi. Kunyobi kachichiko. Sarongoda nange tatabuda kay kira ngusum. Oi. Mai, ha? Bibado. Want to fight, huh? Whatever, Buleo. Yo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nisamode, take care. God bless. Be good to one another. Pray for each other. Toso boys.